It is about living amidst the shades of nature, a never-ending expanse of evergreen meadows that unfold before admiring eyes. Ashiana, creating homes for every dream. The echoes that reverberate across 33 lakh square feet and counting. What you see of us today was a distant dream 2.5 decades ago. Patna, that's where it all began. And soon, the best of quality, unmatched affordability, and on-time deliveries became synonymous with Ashiana.
अच्छी बात ये रही यहाँ पे कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल टाइम पे डिलीवरी दी। 6 साल से मैं रह रहा हूँ। जो कमिटमेंट थी, इट वाज ऑन डॉट, जो कि कोई भी दूसरा बिल्डर नहीं देता।
Visibly making a tangible difference for the middle-income groups in an environment where good quality affordable housing was totally non-existent.
At Ashiana, we are very, very passionate about our core values, or as we like to call it, our DNA. Our core values are quality of the product, safety of investment, and integrity of our commitment.
And the footprints were vividly dotting the skylines of Indirapuram, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, and Gurgaon.
दिल्ली शहर अनअफोर्डेबल है कॉमन मैन के लिए, एंड दिस गेव अस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क इन cities like Indirapuram, Ghaziabad and Greater Noida.
Foundation stones of dream homes soon started surfacing and fructifying into a huge housing reality. Imagine environment where celebrations go beyond the greens as you breathe bliss in the air.
बहुत हरियाली है, बहुत सुंदर वातावरण है यहाँ। सुबह शाम मेरा दिनचर्या यही है कि मैं अकेली रहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा मन लगा रहता है।
A hassle-free living with professional facility management, all the makings of a luxury life nestled amidst the lap of nature.
When I came here, I saw the master plan and all these things. I liked it a lot. The space given by Ashiana is very good. They have utilized the space very beautifully.
Wake up to a green view delight for the rest of your life. Such is the offering potential of Ashiana. There would always be sprawling greens and beautiful landscapes overlooking beautiful homes.
We like the ambience, the architecture, the maintenance, wonderful.
Cherish nature like an onlooker of dreams and realize reality is just a touch away.
Soon and gradually, when we came upon this project, it came to be so nice and good, the greenery, the atmosphere, everything.
Aren't these just dreams that you only imagined at one point in life?
रिटायरमेंट के हिसाब से जब से यहाँ शिफ्ट हुए हैं, मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर ही रहता था, और यहाँ की एटमॉस्फेयर ऐसा है, ये अब कंट्रोल रहता है.
They have taken care at each and every step that we won't feel lonely or feel as if something is not available nearby.
I'm very happy to be in Ashiana because I think it's my dream house.
Imagine amenities where celebrations take the smiles an extra mile.
इस बिल्डर की खास बात ये है कि ये एक पेरेंटल चाइल्डहुड की तरीके से सोसाइटी के रेजिडेंट को देखता है, जो मेरी नज़र के अंदर में बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. मकान बनाया, अपार्टमेंट बनाया और निरंतर महीने में 15 दिन में मोदी साहब दौरा करते हैं.
It is the customer's abiding faith in Ashiana that continuously inspires us to innovate, create and construct quality homes.
यहाँ आकर रहना काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि यह सोसाइटी पहला नंबर तो लो राइज है, काफ़ी स्पेशियस है, पार्क एवं जिम्नेजियम से लेकर क्लब का अच्छी फैसिलिटी है.
सिक्योरिटी वाइज, फैसिलिटीज वाइज, एम्यूनिटी वाइज और खासकर जो लोग यहाँ रहते थे उनकी वजह से कंफर्ट लेवल मेरे ख्याल से ये सारे इंदिरापुरम में बेस्ट है यहाँ.
But it is not about different locations. It is not about choosing designs as per Vastu alone. It is about creating a full circle of amenities and recreational options.
The best feature I like about this place is clubhouse, which has all the modern amenities, like you can watch the World Cup match there, you have a big screen.
The amenities which remain a magnetic charm for onlookers and visitors who come and meet their relatives and friends. Imagine safety, where celebrations remain unleashed, as the difference is freedom.
When they started and the way they set the standard of security in our society, and it was real, and then definitely then the RWA they took it forward, and they tried to match those levels of security which they standard they set, and really good.
The children can play anywhere, wherever they want. That is a big facility which we got.
Touching lives with the distinct charisma of making each house an Ashiana home, with unmatched safety and secure living.
We provide security at various levels, right from 24-hour security guards at the complex gateways, tower lobbies, doing the periphery rounds. We also have EPA-BX intercom systems where every visitor is screened and a call is made to the flat owner, and only upon approval of the flat owner is the visitor allowed to go in. We also provide CCTV cameras in all the common areas of the complex.
My husband is touring a lot, so I have to stay alone most of the times, and the security is very nice because whenever somebody comes to visit, a call from the main gate will come and confirm that we have some visitors or not.
हमारे जो रिलेटिव्स या फ्रेंड सर्कल के लोग मिलने आते थे, वो बगैर हमारे परमिशन के अंदर नहीं घुस सकते थे, बल्कि वो परेशान हो जाते थे कि यार आपकी सोसाइटी में आने से पहले हमारे को 10 सवालों का जवाब देना पड़ता है। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे अच्छा कहीं ऐसा सिक्योरिटी का सिस्टम होगा।
Iconic commitments, beginning of a deeper relationship. At Ashiana, the deliverances begin with your arrival. A commitment for your continued safety and comforts.
I'd like to compliment Ashiana Homes. It is a very professional company with ethics. So that way, whatever they are delivering and whatever they have delivered, that all is beyond compare.
Yes, the magic of Ashiana captures you once you reside with us.
इसको मैंने बनते हुए देखा है बेसमेंट से टॉप तक, क्योंकि बीच बीच में मैं आता भी था तो मुझे लगा कि इन्होंने जो मटेरियल्स या जो भी क्वालिटी है इन्होंने इस पे मेहनत की है।
इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं, ये अपने सोसाइटी को, अपने अपार्टमेंट्स को, जिसको इन्होंने बनाया है उसे वो अपना समझते हैं, और ये समझते हैं कि जब भी कोई समस्या होती है तो उसका निदान किया जाए, क्योंकि हमारा अपना है।
Every Ashiana complex is a representation of a larger extended family, wherein the participation is exceptional.
Here is just like all members living in society as one family. A lot of cultural activities.
Here too, Ashiana participation is widely acclaimed and appreciated by the residents across all age groups.
मेरे बच्चे यहाँ मुझे जब लेकर आए तो मुझे एक अजीब सी खुशी हुई, बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को जब यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट देखा मैंने। शाम को भी बहुत अच्छा नीचे आता है, घूमने आ जाती हूँ। सबसे अच्छे तो मेरे छोटे पोता पोती बहुत खुश है, इसलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खुशी होती है।
The journey that started in 1987 has been extremely fulfilling.
If you see, so many other societies are there of the same size of flat. If you visit, you will not feel like home.
Endorsed by over 3,000 satisfied families.
जैसे मेरी थिंकिंग थी कि मुझे जो है इस टाइप का मेरा ड्राइंग रूम हो जहाँ से कोई भी रूम्स विजिबल ना हो, मतलब एक प्राइवेसी हो, और जो आशियाना है उसने इस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज करा है। और जो मतलब मेरा जो एक बेसिक कंसेप्ट था कि मुझे इस टाइप का घर चाहिए, ड्रीम हाउस, तो वो परफेक्ट उसी टाइप का है।
It is basically the design, the structure and the planning that a similar sized apartment in another society will never feel like home.
लोग यहाँ आते हैं, बहुत जगह घूमते हैं और ये कहते हैं कि यह अपार्टमेंट अपने आप में अनपैरेलल है, बहुत अच्छा है औरों की तुलना में।
where project designs are in sync with customer feedback and their needs.
जब भी कोई व्यक्ति, कोई कस्टमर हमारी कमियां बताता है, हम उन कमियों को बड़े नम्र भाव से ग्रहण करते हैं और उनको आगे आने वाले समय में सुधारने का प्रयत्न करते हैं.
Listening to what our customers want has been at the core while planning all our forthcoming projects.
If grading is to be given, then it is going to be A+++. And if you are going to ask 10 out of 10, then it is obviously it is at 10. That is why I am here.
Thanking each and every family member for vesting their overwhelming trust and faith in Ashiana, fueling our growth as we surpass the numbers with our extraordinary way of making every resident's life a celebration. Ashiana, creating homes for every dream.